How can I delete conversations from Facebook Messenger on multiple devices simultaneously?
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing a commonly asked question. How can I delete conversations from Facebook Messenger on multiple devices simultaneously? We'll walk you through the steps to achieve this, ensuring your privacy is protected no matter what device you use.
Understanding Messenger synchronization.
First and foremost, it's important to understand how Facebook Messenger synchronizes conversations across devices. When you delete a conversation on one device, the changes will be reflected on all other devices where you're signed in to your account. So, once you delete a conversation, it will disappear from all devices simultaneously.
Deleting conversations on mobile devices.
Now let's jump into how to delete conversations. If you're on a mobile device, such as a smartphone or a tablet, follow these steps. 1. Open your Facebook Messenger app. 2. Scroll through your conversations and locate the one you want to delete. 3. Swipe left on the conversation you want to delete. 4. Tap the Delete option that appears. 5. Confirm your decision by selecting Delete in the pop-up. This conversation will now be deleted from all devices you are logged into with this Facebook account.
Deleting conversations on a computer.
If you're on a computer, the steps are a little different. Here's what you do. 1. Open Facebook.com in a web browser and log in if you're not already. 2. Click on the Messenger icon at the top right of the Facebook homepage. 3. Hover over the conversation you wish to delete and click on the three-dotted menu appearing on the right. 4. Select Delete from the drop-down menu. 5. Confirm your decision by clicking Delete again in the pop-up. Just like on mobile, this conversation will be removed from all devices where you're logged in with this Facebook account. Remember that deleting a conversation permanently removes it from your Messenger, and this cannot be undone. So make sure you want to delete a conversation before doing so. We hope this video has been helpful and that you now know how to delete Facebook Messenger conversations on multiple devices simultaneously. As always, thank you for watching.